Hey, attention crypto gossipators, things are about to get interesting. Remember, not financial advice.
Hey guys, what is up? Hope everyone is doing well. Hope everyone's having an amazing day because I am as usual. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. So guys, I have a very important point to make before we have the big movements, and this is one for you guys to understand. Now, Shibarium, the layer 2 solution, is going to be an absolute game changer, okay? Massive spikes, massive changes, crypto markets getting ready, for sure. Now, how powerful is Shibarium? So I'm just going to tell you right now, from my opinion, from my thoughts, from deep inside. Now, I think the power of Shibarium is going to be equivalent to Bitcoin. So it's going to be able to move just as much as Bitcoin. I know it sounds pretty crazy, but hey guys, let's be honest. Bitcoin is a massive mover, okay? It's at the top. Whenever Bitcoin makes a move, guys, you can see the charts are usually the same. Look at Bitcoin, you've got Ethereum, and then everyone more or less has the same type of pattern. Now, when Shibarium goes up, I think it's going to be pushing everything up, okay, big time, and everything is going to follow it, at least for that first week or first few weeks. So some of you are saying, well, is it that powerful? Is it that strong? Can it take it to the limits? Of course it can. Everything is going to follow suit, and I think the other layer 2 solutions could actually also follow. It's going to be a really powerful effect on the market. Everyone's going to feel it. A lot of money is going to be flowing in. Transactions are going to be blowing up and getting out of control. So it's all coming. It's all coming our way. We're all getting excited. And I believe that, here, the future is destined to be very bright. So some of you probably don't remember, but Shibarium is a very promising layer 2 solution that is expected to provide quicker transactions, cheaper transactions, more efficient transactions, decentralized, so all that great stuff. And that is all going to be added for Bone, Shiba Inu, Leash, and everything else. So you can just imagine, once Shibarium comes out, it will pretty much drag all the prices of everything else. I don't know how far it's going to go in terms of, price, how much is it going to pump, but I know it's all the way to the moon, okay? So in terms of, the fact that I can't give you a figure is fine because it's going up. Simple as that. So, guys, remember, when Shibarium, is going to be doing well, everything around it is going to be doing well. It's like Bitcoin. I've said it before, but I just want to use this example again, okay? Bitcoin tends to drag. It is, a powerhouse. It is the godfather of all cryptos, so much bigger than anything else. So undoubtedly, it will have that power. And I believe that Shibarium could be doing the same, at least, for a bit. I'm not saying forever, but definitely that time is gonna be a very interesting moment for the whole community, okay? So you better get ready. Now, what are you holding in your bags and how far you're holding in your bags for sure is going to be one of these, mystery contemplated points for you to think about, okay? So if you are happy with what you're holding, then fine, okay, forget about it. But so many people just keep on texting me. They're like, hey, is this enough? Is this not enough? Remember, we're going up, okay? And we're dragging everything up. All the projects, anything that you have invested that is linked to Shibarium, that is built on Shibarium, I think it's gonna push it up as much as possible. So it definitely is a very interesting time for you guys, to take your final moments, to contemplate, to look back, to get your plans nice and ready, because it is starting and it's going to go very heavy. I don't know, some of you might even come up with the idea that Shibarium, when I refer to Shibarium, I mean also Bone, because it's pretty much the Shibarium token. So Bone's flow of price is going to be followed. But what I'm trying to also, what I was trying to think about is, what if Shibarium has such a strong impact that it pushes up Bitcoin's price? Now, if that was the case, I know a lot of you will say, wow, that's too much to think of. But that would be wow. That would be something of a kind, because obviously, pushing and manipulating, moving Bitcoin is tough. It's got massive market cap, has way more volume. than all the other cryptos for sure. Okay, so very, very exciting times, undoubtedly, and times that we need to cherish, that we need to preserve, and we need to keep safe. Okay, because these are the moments that really money is made from here. Okay, so a lot of you probably remember that people made a ton of money from Bitcoin, and they invested, they pulled in millions. Some of them carried on holding Bitcoin. They felt the power that Bitcoin has, because whatever Bitcoin did, that kind of reflected on the whole market. So I think BONT could have some sort of effect like that in the future, but that is obviously post Shibarium. Don't start freaking out just because pre-Shibarium we're seeing completely different prices. That's okay. Post Shibarium is what matters, and then the post Shibarium era, and I think obviously after the bull run, that's going to give it another price hike. Okay, so it's just more interest after more interest after more movements, and that's how money is going to be made. Okay, simple as that. But it is up to you if you're going to go in long term or short term. What type of vision do you have? Have you thought about it? Because if you haven't, then you better start thinking about it. Now, also guys, in terms of that conference that is coming up, it definitely, all the eyes are going to be on it. I think after the conference you are going to see some charts really blowing up and going past levels that you never expected. If you have anything any investments associated with Shibarium, you are definitely going to see these investments go up, because I think there's going to be a trigger effect. So definitely going to be one of these very interesting times to watch how the market is moving for sure. Okay, and please don't also freak out just because you see the price of BONT right now, what it is, and the time this video comes out it's going to be a completely different price. Guys, please relax. Okay, prices can change, I get it. Sometimes I'll make a video a day or 2 days before, just because I have a point in my head and I just want to really get it out there and talk about it, and but really for you guys to concentrate on the point, not the price itself. Okay, because when we should be concentrating on the price is when there's like an explosion. A few cents doesn't matter. Just because I released a video at $1 this and then it's $1 that at the time of release of video, that's not the point. The point here is to concentrate on the idea behind the type of the type of force that BONT and Shibarium has. Simple as that. So I'm loving this. Okay, I'm really loving. I was thinking about this comparison. I know it's really kind of sometimes for me to be it's too much of me to compare it to such big cryptos and expect these type of comparisons to happen. I'm just giving it as an idea. Okay, what I'm trying to reiterate here is that it is sort of a powerhouse. But let me know how you feel down below. Do you feel that Shibarium, with this release, everything else is going to be pushed up because there's going to be that much excitement, so much flowing money and demand? Do you believe that is the case? And also, don't forget to turn that notifications bell on. Make sure you subscribe, like, share. And guys, what can I say? A big thank you to everyone. I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace out.